Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learners. In this video, we'll be learning about CSS floats. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I'll provide the link in the description box. So, without wasting any time, let's get started.
A jolt and then you'll die.
Hey guys, so let us start our video. I'll open my VS Code. And my VS Code has been opened. So I will select the folder and I'll create a new file called floats.html and I'll zoom my page a bit and I will put the boilerplate and I'll toggle the word wrap too and let's zoom a bit more and I'll name as float and I'll give a div tag. Div is also a type of tag in HTML. VS Code makes our text more easier, so I'm going to show a small easy trick. So if I want to make a div tag with ID called computer and class called computer1, you don't need to write ID and all. You can just use div and you can use the hash to write the ID and dot to write class. So if I want computer as ID and computer1 called as class, you can use div hash computer and dot computer1. As you saw that it has ID with computer and class with computer1. So I'll make a div tag. So I want only ID for now, I don't want class, so I'll use only computer, and inside the div tag I'll make a paragraph tag and I'll use lorem20 and I'll start my live server and our live server has been started. So I will just target it using hash computer. I will give it a border of 3 pixel solid. I'll give black. Oh, what had happened? I don't get border left. Black. Oh. And I'll save it. Now this line as border with black and I'll give a background color. I'll select anyone and I'll use the color picker. To use color picker, just hover on it. And now it's nice. I'll go to original size and I'll give it a width. You can also give height, and first I'll give a width of let me give 300 pixel and I'll give height of let me give 100 pixel. Now it has a width of 90 pixel and height of 100 pixel. I'll just inspect it. So in Galaxy S3 it will look something like this. In iPad Pro it looks like this. I'll just click responsive so I can select any of this. I will just increase the height and increase the width too. Now width is enough for me, so I'll just increase the height to 100 to 135 pixel and I'll give border radius of 10 pixel enough, and I'll also use text align center and I'll give margin top. I'll give 10 pixel and from right to left I'll give auto. If you give auto it will be in center. Now this is in center. I'll go to my original size. Now this text is in center. So let us talk about float. If you want that this box should be on the right side, in that case you can use float. You can just use float left or right. Floats float I'll use right. As you can see that now this box is in right, and I'll just copy this and I'll paste here, and I'll name as computer 1, and I'll copy this too and paste here, and I'll give computer 1. Instead of right I'll give left. And now this box is looking nice on the same size. They both have the same size. So I will put all of this inside a h1 tag, and I paste here, and I'll give id called main. I'll just give heading, and I'll target it heading, and I'll write border I think 6 pixel solid red. Oh, what had happened? Some errors happened. So inside a h1 tag, instead of h1 tag, let us give a div tag. I'll name this to div. Yeah, now it's a bit nice. Instead of 6 pixel solid red, so I will try by just commenting out this float left, and I'll save it. Now this is nice. Floats were just disturbing us, and I will give width as auto. Let us try auto. So instead of auto, let us give 90 pixel. Oh, only 90 pixel. I just inspect it, and I will increase. So where is that? I want to inspect this. Yeah, and I will increase this. I think 904 is nice, and I will just, and yeah, now it's looking nice. I will try by, I will just do text align center left. I want center, and I will do center. Instead of the text and center, we can let us try with margin 2 pixel auto. Now this is in center, and I will just comment out this width, and I will just comment out this width too. Oh yeah, if I'll make another one, a div tag, and I will give id called computer 2, and I will just copy this text, and I will paste here itself, and I'll name as computer 2. And now this is nice. I'll just comment out this and see what will happen. Oh, this one. So if you can also choose for right and left. What had happened? I just comment out this. Yeah, so we have made a small box. We'll try to just modify it in the upcoming videos. So this is like a box, and I'll try to give border radius too. Border radius 20 pixel. Now this is really looking like glass. If we just decrease the width, it will look like a box. So in the next video we will be trying to modify our links, buttons and some boxes and forms. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.